Hey there, future bricklaying pros. Taking on a bricklaying project can seem daunting, but trust me, with a little patience and the right guidance, you can build something amazing. We're going to break down the process of setting out your brickwork, which is basically like creating the blueprint for your wall. Get ready to learn, have some fun, and impress yourself with what you can accomplish. This guide is all about giving you the confidence to tackle that first layer of bricks. We'll walk through each step together, from planning your layout to mixing mortar. Remember, even the most experienced masons started right where you are now. So grab your gear and let's get started. Before we dive into laying bricks, let's make sure you have all the right tools for the job. The right tools not only make the work easier, but also ensure that the final result is professional and durable. Having the proper equipment will make your life easier and help you achieve a professional-looking result. Here's what you'll need. First, let's talk about the bricklaying trowel. A bricklaying trowel is your go-to tool for scooping, spreading, and shaping mortar. It's designed to give you control and precision, allowing you to apply the right amount of mortar exactly where you need it. Next, you'll need a club hammer. This tool is used for splitting bricks and tapping them into place. Its weight and balance make it perfect for delivering controlled force, ensuring that your bricks are properly aligned and securely set. A level is essential for ensuring your brickwork is perfectly horizontal and vertical. This tool helps you maintain straight lines and even surfaces, which is crucial for the structural integrity and aesthetic appeal of your project. A tape measure is indispensable for accurate measurements throughout the project. Whether you're measuring the length of a wall or the size of individual bricks, a reliable tape measure ensures that everything fits together as planned. A string line is a strong string pulled taut between 2 points to help you lay bricks in a straight line. This simple yet effective tool is crucial for maintaining alignment and consistency across your brickwork. Line pins or stakes are used to secure your string line at each end. These pins ensure that your string line remains taut and in place, providing a reliable guide for your bricklaying. A chalk line is used for marking straight lines on bricks and other surfaces. This tool helps you create precise guidelines, making it easier to cut and place bricks accurately. A brick jointer is used to finish the mortar joints between bricks. This tool helps you create smooth, even joints, which not only look good, but also contribute to the strength and durability of your brickwork. A bucket is essential for mixing mortar. Whether you're mixing small or large batches, a sturdy bucket provides a convenient and portable container for your mortar, and a shovel or hoe is used for mixing larger amounts of mortar. These tools allow you to thoroughly combine the ingredients, ensuring a consistent and workable mixture. Having these tools on hand will set you up for success. Each tool has a specific purpose and contributes to the overall quality of your work. Remember, quality tools make a difference, so invest in the best you can afford. High-quality tools are more durable, perform better, and can save you time and effort in the long run. So gather your tools, and let's get ready to build something amazing. The key to a successful bricklaying project is careful planning. Before you lay a single brick, take some time to think about the layout and design of your wall. First, determine the exact dimensions of your wall. Measure twice, cut once, as they say. This will help you figure out how many bricks you'll need. Next, decide on the bond type you want to use. The bond refers to the pattern in which the bricks are laid. Common bonds include running bond, the simplest, stacked bond, and English bond. Finally, consider the location of any doors, windows, or other openings. Mark these on your plan to ensure a smooth building process. Section 4. Marking your foundation. With your plan in place, it's time to transfer those measurements to your foundation. This step is crucial for ensuring your wall is straight, level, and the correct size. Start by driving stakes or pegs into the ground at each corner of your wall's perimeter. Use your tape measure to ensure the stakes are positioned accurately according to your plan. Double-check the diagonals to make sure the corners are square. Once your corner stakes are in place, you can use a chalk line to mark the outline of the wall directly onto the foundation. This clear outline will serve as your guide when you begin laying bricks. Remember, accuracy is key here. Take your time and double-check your measurements to avoid costly mistakes later on. Section 5. The importance of a level string line. A level string line is your best friend when it comes to laying straight and even courses of bricks. It is an essential tool in the construction industry, especially for bricklayers who aim for precision and quality in their work. Without a level string line, achieving a uniform and aesthetically pleasing wall can be quite challenging. It acts as a guide, ensuring each brick is at the same height as the others. This consistency is crucial not only for the structural integrity of the wall, but also for its visual appeal. A wall with uneven bricks can be both unsightly and unstable, leading to potential safety hazards and costly repairs down the line. To set up your string line, hammer line pins or stakes into the ground at each end of the wall, just outside the corners. This initial step is vital because the stability of your string line depends on how securely these pins are placed. Make sure they are driven deep enough into the ground to withstand the tension of the string line. Tie one end of your string line to the first pin, ensuring it's wrapped securely. A loose knot can cause the string to sag, which would defeat the purpose of using it as a leveling guide. Double-check the knot to make sure it won't come undone as you work. Next, pull the string line taut and tie it to the pin on the opposite end. The tension in the string is what keeps it straight and level. If the string is too loose, it will droop, and if it's too tight, it might snap or pull the pins out of the ground. Use your level to check that the string is perfectly horizontal. This step is crucial because even a slight incline or decline can result in a crooked wall. Take your time to ensure the string is level, as this will save you a lot of trouble later on. You can adjust the height of the string by sliding it up or down the pin until it's level. This flexibility allows you to make fine adjustments to achieve the perfect height for your brick courses. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure accuracy in your work. Once your string line is set, it will act as a reference point for laying your first course of bricks. This initial course is the foundation for the entire wall, so it's essential to get it right. A well-laid first course will make the subsequent layers much easier to align. Make sure the top of each brick aligns with the string to create a level and straight wall. Consistently checking the alignment as you lay each brick will help you maintain a uniform height and prevent any deviations. This attention to detail will result in a professional-looking wall that stands the test of time. In conclusion, a level string line is an indispensable tool for any bricklayer. It ensures that your work is both precise and aesthetically pleasing. By taking the time to set up and use a string line correctly, you can achieve a high-quality finish that will impress clients and stand the test of time. So always remember to use a level string line for your bricklaying projects. Section 6. Laying the first bricks. Now comes the exciting part, laying your first course of bricks. This is where your project truly starts to take shape, and you can see the fruits of your labor begin to materialize. It's a moment of pride and anticipation. This first layer is critical, as it sets the stage for the rest of your wall. A strong and level foundation ensures that the subsequent layers will be stable and aligned. Think of it as the backbone of your entire structure. Starting at one corner of your foundation, lay down a bed of mortar along the chalk line. The chalk line acts as your guide, ensuring that your bricks are laid straight and true. It's essential to follow this line closely to maintain the integrity of your wall. Use your trowel to spread the mortar evenly, creating a consistent thickness. This consistency is key to providing a solid base for your bricks. An uneven mortar bed can lead to instability and misalignment in your wall. Next, carefully pick up a brick and position it on the mortar bed. Handle each brick with care, as precision at this stage will save you time and effort later on. The placement of each brick is crucial for the overall strength and appearance of your wall. Align the edge of the brick with your chalk line and gently press it down into the mortar. This alignment ensures that your wall will be straight and uniform. Take your time to get this right, as it will affect the entire structure. Check that the top of the brick is flush with your string line. The string line helps you maintain a consistent height across your wall. Adjust the brick as needed to ensure it is level with the line. Continue laying bricks in this manner, working your way along the foundation. Each brick should be placed with the same care and precision as the first. Consistency is key to building a strong and attractive wall. Regularly check for level and alignment as you go, using your level and string line as guides. These tools are essential for ensuring that your wall remains straight and true. Make adjustments as needed to maintain accuracy. If you need to make adjustments, you can tap the brick lightly with your trowel handle. This gentle tapping helps to settle the brick into the mortar and align it with the others. Be careful not to tap too hard, as this can cause the brick to shift or the mortar to become uneven. Once you've completed the first layer, step back and admire your work. This initial course is the foundation of your wall, and getting it right is a significant achievement. Take a moment to appreciate the progress you've made and prepare for the next steps in your bricklaying journey. With the first layer in place, you're ready to move on to the next. Gather your tools and materials and continue building your wall one brick at a time. Each layer builds upon the last, creating a strong and lasting structure. As you continue, remember that patience and precision are your best allies. Bricklaying is an art that requires attention to detail and a steady hand. With each brick you lay, you're not just building a wall, you're creating something that will stand the test of time. Enjoy the process and take pride in your work. Every brick you lay is a step closer to completing your project. The satisfaction of seeing your wall grow, brick by brick, is a reward in itself. Keep going, and soon you'll have a structure that you can be truly proud of. Section 7. Marking your joints. Consistent mortar joints are essential for a professional-looking brick wall. To ensure uniformity, use a chalk line to mark the locations of your vertical joints directly onto the foundation. Measure the width of your desired mortar joint, typically around 10 mm or 3/8 of an inch. Starting at one corner, use your tape measure and chalk line to mark the location of the first vertical joint. Continue marking joint locations along the entire length of the foundation. These marks will serve as guides when you lay subsequent courses of bricks. By aligning the ends of your bricks with these marks, you'll create consistent and visually appealing mortar joints throughout your wall.